Greetings, friends. So I uploaded an indicator on CTRADER, and it looks like some people are unable to install it. There is a trader who wrote, "Hi, thanks you for this alert. Sound does not work." It's easy. Step 1. Download the indicator by clicking download. Once the indicator is downloaded, click to open on the download folder. The indicator will be installed directly, and all you'll do is click OK to confirm. Step 2. Go to the indicator and make sure the sound on is turned to yes. Then under media file location C users, your username, music by WAV. Do the same on the second media file C users, your username, music cell. Wait to locate your username. Go to this PC local disk C users and then check for your username. Mine is DM. Add your username as shown here for buy, WAV and sell. Step 3. Go back to the indicator description and download the buy wave audio and sell WAV audio on the link provided. Once the audios file have finished downloading, put them into the music folder. Now, this indicator is designed to provide buy and sell signals based on the relative strength index, RSI, and play sound notifications when these signals occur. It also plots points on the chart to indicate where the buy and sell signals occurred. Make sure to understand how RSI signals work and use this indicator as part of your trading with other indicators. That's all. Thanks for watching.